Yep, you read the description right. Today we're doing beef cheeks. We're doing beef cheeks every day, cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. All right, we're gonna get started on the grill. We're gonna get the slow and sear set up. Takes a little bit. Takes about 30 minutes to get this going. So we got our water in there. We got our pan. We're putting it on our wood chips. We're going with apple wood chips. So our grill's set up, and we're gonna get started with butchering this meat. Now, I bought this. It was vacuum sealed, and that's what beef cheeks look like. And when you turn them over, there's a bunch of fat, silver skin. Got to get rid of that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go through this. I've never done it before. It'll probably look like I've never done it before, but I'm just gonna let this play. Sit back, I guess, take a look. If you like watching meat being butchered, go ahead. If not, I'll put chapters in, and you can jump ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys. So we're just gonna hit this up with some onion powder, some garlic powder, some salt, pepper, and a little paprika for color. Now we're gonna give that a quick mix. Just try to get that all over, and on to the grill we go. Now we're gonna run the grill around 250, 260. It'll bounce back and forth. And we're gonna let this go 2 hours or so. Let's go on with some extra wood chips here, wood chunks. We'll see you in 2 hours. And this is what we got. It's a little darker than I wanted, but we're gonna go with it. All right, so now it's time to braising. We're gonna braise these beef cheeks down. So in with a little better than bouillon. We're gonna hit it up with some hot water. Now guys, you notice I do a lot of braising right now. That's the thing. This is what I'm into right now. To me, it's one of the best ways to cook, meat. So we're going in with some garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, pretty much the same that we seasoned the meat with. Continue that theme. And some lawrys. Alright, so in we go with our meat. We're going to cover these up. And we're going back on the grill for about an hour and a half, I'm going to say. Put a few more chunks on. I probably might make this 2 hours, but we'll see how it looks when we go to check it. Alright, see you in about an hour and a half. Magic of editing. It's been about an hour and 20 minutes. This is hot, so be careful. And this is what we got. All right, let me give you guys a little bit of a closer look. Now, we cooked this today. We're going to eat this later in the week. So we're going to go ahead and pack this up and put it up for next, I guess maybe I'll cook this on Tuesday or Wednesday. And now, today is Tuesday. This has been sitting in the fridge waiting for us. So here's our beef cheeks with our carrots and our onions and our celery. And I decided to put this over egg noodles. And then we have some of our beef drippings left over. Kind of gelatinized. This is good stuff here. So we're going to get started. Our pan started with some of it, a little bit here. In with a little bit of avocado oil. Now we're making just a basic sauce here. So guys, don't kill me. I'm making this up as I go along. So we got tomato paste. We're going to go ahead and cook the tomato flavor, the harsh tomato flavor out of this a little bit. And guys, this is what happens when you walk away from your pot, and you're not paying attention. See how it got burnt over there? But we were able to bounce back. Threw some water in there real quick, and turned out okay. Just scrape that up off the bottom. Alright, in with some better than beef bouillon. Give it a little bit more beefy flavor. In with some tomato sauce. I eventually end up adding the whole can, but I didn't add it all at this particular time. In with some complete seasoning. It has a lot of stuff in it. Garlic, pepper, it's just a lot of goodness. That a stir. Taste. Put in with some sugar to cut down on that tomato flavor, tomato taste. And now we're gonna let this simmer for a little bit, about 20 minutes or so. We're not gonna cover the pot all the way. Just don't want it splashing everywhere. And our egg noodles. Alright, in with our braising liquid. Our carrots, our onion, and our braising liquid here. This is our flavor. Alright, we're gonna let that all come together. Let that sit for a little while. Alright, we're gonna give that about 10 minutes or so. 10 minutes. And this is what we got. And in with our beef. We're gonna, reheat our beef cheeks inside this liquid here in our sauce. Put in our carrots. We're on a home run stretch now, guys. All right, noodles. Normally I hit it up with a little bit of olive oil, but today I decided, do some butter. Butter makes everything better, and it keeps it from sticking together. All right, now we're gonna plate. Guys, these are different egg noodles. I saw them. It cost a little bit more, but hey. And guys, if I had to explain the flavor of beef cheeks, I would say it's kind of like oxtails. Yeah, like a cross between oxtails and roast beef. Does that make sense? I mean, and it's good. And will I cook this again? Absolutely. Will I eat this again? Absolutely. Guys, this is soft, it's tender. It's pull apart. I'm using a fork and a knife. You could probably barbecue, put this in some barbecue sauce. But I pretty much like it the way I did it right here over some noodles. We went in with some little hot chili sauce here. Instead of hot sauce. Guys, this came out good. This is something you definitely got to try. You can definitely braise this. Just take it out, brown it in a pot, braise it, throw it in the oven, or cook it down on the stove. Guys, and it comes out good. Make your own sauce. You don't have to spend all day making a Sunday sauce. We made a Tuesday sauce. We put some braising liquid with our tomato sauce. We got our beef cheeks. They're soft and tender. Guys, this was delicious. This was good. Here's our flyover. Guys, please like, subscribe. Every day cooking, dad cooking every single day.